Hey guys, today I want to show you how I make my chocolate chunk cookies. In a bowl, combine your butter with your white and brown sugar, and by hand or with an electric mixer, mix well till the mixture is smooth and creamy. Add in your baking soda, vanilla, and egg, and mix well to combine. Then finally, add in your flour along with your chocolate chunks and mix till you have a smooth, soft dough. Add spoonfuls of the mixture onto a greased baking tray and bake at 180 degrees for 15 minutes. Remove from the oven and allow it to cool slightly, then transfer it onto a cooling rack and cool completely. Enjoy!